Welcome to another Deep J Wilson STEM video. I wanted to uh, show you how to make a sprite jump. Now, in a previous video, I showed you how to create gravity, which is this set of coding right here. But now we're going to add some complexity, some cool stuff to the game. All right, so let's go over a few things first. Now, one of the things that we did is when the green flag is checked, obviously we always do these first couple of things here. When the green flag is checked, go to their starting position, set their rotation, switch their costume, set the size, show or hide. Okay. Now, this is how my sprite moves left and right, obviously. And in a previous video on creating gravity, I showed you how to create gravity. So you need two variables, gravity and velocity. You need that forever loop, and you need a couple conditional statements. So what we did before was we said that, hey, if we're touching the ground, like if we're touching Sprite 2 and I use Sprite 2 to be the ground, then don't do anything. However, if we're not touching Sprite 2, then here is gravity taking effect. All right, so let's get into this, showing you how to make your Sprite jump. In order to make your sprite jump, remember, gravity is always going to be the constant. However, velocity is what's always going to change. So velocity is going to control how fast our sprite jumps and how fast it falls. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to grab this set variable block and we're going to change this to set velocity. And then this number right here, this controls how high your sprite will jump. The greater this number, the higher your sprite's going to go. And since it's the positive number, it's going to offset the negative gravity, which is going to cause the upward motion. But again, we're not done yet because all we did is we just set our velocity to a number. Now what we have to do is set our Y position. We're also going to use the same code right here. All right. We're going to set our Y position. And you have to make sure that you put these in this order. The set velocity has to come first, and then the set Y position has to come second, okay? And so then what we're going to do is we're going to grab one of those Boolean operators, and then we're going to say, or we're going to code. So set our Y position to our current Y position. So no matter where our current Y position is, plus our velocity. All right. Now remember, since this is a positive number, it's going to offset that gravity. So now when we press the green flag, it's going to fall. And now when I press the space bar, we jump. Okay. So again, if you wanted your sprite to jump a little bit higher, you could change this to, let's say, 10. All right. Now when I press the space bar, he's jumping all the way off, almost off the screen. Okay. Now, again, notice there's no double jumps here because in order for it to jump, he has to be touching sprite number 2. And if he's not touching sprite number 2, he's not going to jump. All right. So again, thanks for watching. Again, hashtag Ghost, build something cool. Hashtag STEM is fun. And hey, if you like the video, please subscribe. You'll always be able to see some of the real cool things that we're doing. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace out.